Meaning of French press.
French press.
French press.
French press.
French press. A French press is a type of coffee maker that consists of a cylindrical glass or stainless steel container with a plunger and a metal or nylon mesh filter. To use a French press, coffee grounds are placed in the container, hot water is poured over the top, and the mixture is left to steep for several minutes. The plunger is then pressed down slowly to separate the brewed coffee from the grounds. The result is a rich and flavorful cup of coffee that retains more of the natural oils and flavors of the coffee beans than traditional drip coffee makers.